Hello my friend and supporter, I am Dr. Mohammed Shujudri MSCOO7 version. Welcome to medical science class. So what is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, data with mathematics, calculation, experiment, treatment, that is science. What is medical science? Medical science is the branch of science which can be elaborated about human. Scientific name of human, Homo sapiens. What is elaborate? What is the normal physiological system of human? What is the how disease occur? What is the management of the disease? What is the sign symptom of normal human? What is the sign symptom of abnormal human? So medical science is the branch of science which can be elaborated about human. Emotion. Scientific name of human, emotion. So my friend and supporter, medical science. I am Dr. Mohammed Shujudri, MSCOO7 version. Sohel. My registration number 75,995. Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. From Dhaka, Bangladesh, Uttarpur. Area job. Now we go to the sky. Human made up of, what is the unit of human? Cell. How many types of human cell? For example, nerve cell, cardiac muscle cell, cardiac cell or heart cell, skeletal muscle, muscle cell or skeletal muscle cell or skeletal cell. For example, there is stem cell, hemopoietic stem cell, produce RBC, WBC, platelet. Now, what is the unit of human cell? Normal cell contain cell nucleus. In nucleus, there is a nucleoplasm. In nucleus, there is a chromosome. In chromosome, there is a gene. In gene, there is a DNA. Unit of DNA, unit of gene, DNA. In unit of DNA, nucleotide. Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. In case of RNA, adenine, guanine, cytosine. In replacement of thymine, uracil. Look the book. See the book. And in case of then nucleus. Human cell contain nucleus. Then endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome. Ribosome, what ribosome? What type of ribosome? Messenger RNA. What type of ribosome? What do ribosome? RNA protein synthesis. What is the mitochondria? Powerhouse of cell. ATP. Produce ATP. How ATP produced? In case of whatever you eat, carbohydrate, that transferred to glucose. And in case of protein, fat, gluconeogenesis. In case of carbohydrate, glucose. And it as liver storage as glycogen. Then glucose plus oxygen in powerhouse ATP, glucose plus oxygen, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, cell fuel. By that cell fuel, cell activity occurs. So, my friend and supporter, that is the summary of human cell. Then you know that ribosome, what ribosome do? Protein synthesis. What is the protein? Protein also necessary. How much protein? Essential amino acid, non-essential amino acid. Essential amino, what is essential amino acid? That is necessary. What is non-essential? That is not necessary. Not solely necessary. What is essential amino acid? Essential amino acids play a vital role. Essential amino acid synthesis our body or from other. Fine. See the book. Essential amino acid and non-essential amino acid. What is the amino acid? That is the chemical formula of protein. Our body is made up of cell protein, amino acid. Now, in human body, what thing present? Life. What is life? Life is a special type of energy contains cell. Where present? Beneath the skin, beneath the muscle, or in muscle, or beneath the bone, or in bone, or nervous system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, musculoskeletal system, lymphatic system, what system? As per I know, Allah knows, not the nervous system. Life says it is nervous system, but we cannot see. What is the reason? Life equal more or less picometer. In cell, micrometer. Human cell, micrometer. And medical science say adult human, normal adult human contain equal more or less 3 billion cells. I say 18,000. Normal adult human contain equal more or less 80,000 crore cells. Equal more or less 80,000 crore cells. Combined a normal adult contain a normal human, normal adult human. Now my friend and supporter, what is undiscoverable disease? We discuss about that. Already shock management goal. What is the symptom? What say patient? What say patient? That is symptom. What say doctor? That is sign. Now my friend and supporter, what is the dangerous virus? What is the dangerous? Dangerous virus uncurable disease HIV. In case of HIV, what is the treatment process? That is research. HIV, you take HIV from HIV patient and culture media. In culture media, you take HIV culture, then by energy, like electric energy or radiation or other energy, the HIV virus breakdown. Or chemical solution like weak acid, weak alkali, HIV breakdown. Then give to isolated animal like cow, goat, valid animal, sheep, isolated that animal. From that you form the HIV, easily HIV vaccine. Now that is the ongoing process. Dr. Momo Shulchudi say research about that. Equal more or less after pass the medical exam. I am bashful of Dr. Momo Shulchudi MSCOO7. That is the reason I know. Now still now ongoing process, not go that. Try and discover, come then. Only come. If come then Canada, USA, France, Canada, Britain, USA, Australia, those are research about that, about HIV, especially Canada. Then Britain, USA, also other countries, Australia, research about HIV. Now what is the treatment of cancer? Cancer cell, if you take cancer cell from patient and give to animal like cow, goat, sheep, from cancer cell you form the anti-cancer cell, anti-cancer gene, anti-cancer chromosome, anti-cancer gene, anti-cancer DNA, and give to that from weight by volume or volume by volume, collected from isolated element, weight by volume or volume by volume, dilute and give to patient here. Then cancer cell, anti-cancer cell, anti-cancer chromosome, anti-cancer gene, anti-cancer DNA to found easily cancer cured. So we discover about how cure the HIV, how cure the cancer. Dr. Momo Shulchudi also research about that after pass the medical science, irregular. 5 years course pass equal more or less 10 years. But in that time what do? Research. I am bastard of Dr. Momo Shulchudi MSCOO7 Sohel. That's the reason I know. And now medical science, cancer already curable. What is the curable process already? Say, what is about chromosomal abnormality? If 40 plus X, then take chromosome X chromosome from mother or grandmother, that kind of. The X one cell, then X chromosome raw material giving sperm, then automatically X chromosome come. If chromosomal abnormality like 46, 47 plus Y, then anti-chromosome. Take the patient chromosome, give to animal, and found the anti-chromosome. Give the anti-chromosome in serum, patient serum. That is researchable. Those are not, no, do that. Don't do that. If patient die, your responsibility, not my responsibility. I just say. Still now theoretical. Those that do, then go to the experiment. Then anti-chromosome, delete in found the 46XY or 46. Normal human chromosome, 44 autosome, 1 lab chromosome. You say sex chromosome. Everybody do sex? No. Those are good women, they do lab. So we say lab. Maximum do labology, not sexuality. Lab after marriage. So we say lab chromosome. In case of male, 44 autosome plus XY lab chromosome. In case of female, 44 autosome plus XX lab chromosome. Now we go to the nervous system. Surgery. In surgeon, vein artery doesn't matter. If you cut the vein artery, can suture them. But if you cut the nerve, let's say, what are you doing? Kill me? Punishable over. I go to jail, imprisonment, whatever. But there is a connection, nerve connection. In connect with surgical glue and wrapping that nerve. And give vitamin B1, B2, or B1, B6, B12. Correct that. Dr. Mohammed Shahidullah also say that about them. When complete the medicine post-graduation training, PGT from Dhaka Medical College Hospital. After pass the medical science and go to the complete PGT post-graduation training from 6 months, medicine in medicine, DMC. No. And for understand medicine, for understand how to cure the disease, uncurable disease in medical field or medicine. Then go to the, when understand that, then go to the surgery, casualty 6 months, PGT, post-graduate training, how to connect the nerve. Still now surgeon fear about that. And that is the process, how to connect the nerve. Dr. Mohammed Shahidullah discovered that, and now I am version of Dr. Mohammed Shahidullah, I know that by the process. Sohel. MSCOO7, Sohel. So today is enough. If you connect the nerve, no problem. Vein artery cut or nerve, connected nerve, with wrapping that nerve, and vitamin B1, B6, B12. I think understand, better understand. Okay, fine. So in case of gynae of painless delivery, natural contraception, gynae of, how natural contraception occur? Male secretion contains estrogen, progesterone, normal adult male. In case of I take that, in case of that call me, right? And my wife, after marriage, my wife, right? Automatically steroid taken. Then natural contraception is occur. Natural. Already you, those are married, those are know that. Everybody knows that. Those are know that utilize it. Don't have and not enough estrogen or progesterone. In case of husband have not, then wife utilize. Wife have not, husband wife both have absent, then steroid taking. The process. So my family supporter Dr. Mohammed Shahidullah, MSCOO7 version Sohel. You like that? Should we continue or not? By the help of one and only Creator, Allah. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only Creator, except Allah, last and best. Thank you very much. My friend, today is enough from medical science class.